Hello friends, myself Om and you're watching Technical Om.
Today I am going to tell you the specifications of Jio Smartphone which are listed online on Google support device. The confirmed specifications of Jio Smartphone are Snapdragon 215 HD plus display, Android 10 support. This is some more information about Jio Smartphone. The expected launch date of Jio Smartphone is in mid of the October. Now let's see the expected price. The expected price should be below 5000.
This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.